Add medications and allergies from both the patient chart and visit note through new crop eRX. In the patient chart, go to Medications, click Add, and enter the patient's current and previous medication details. Type the drug name in the Med Entry tab and click the Drug Search button. Select the preferred drug and click Edit. Enter the maximum daily dosage, dispense information, and any additional information. Next, click Record to save. The medication will appear under Active Medications, then click Done. Similarly, under Allergies, click on Add to add the patient's current and previous allergies. Search for allergy with the Allergy Search button, select details like criticality, category, reaction, and severity, and then click Save Allergy to add it. Next, click Done. In the Visit note, select Medications and Allergies, click Add, and enter the patient's current and previous medication details. The medication details will be populated in the EHR. Add the patient's current and previous allergies. The allergy details will be populated in the EHR. To add an e-prescription, select e-prescription, click Add Prescription, input the prescription and required details, and click Done. The prescription details will be populated in the EHR.